All right, and we are live. What's up, everybody? It's G Mr. Drew welcoming you to another episode of the Andrew Wojcicki Experience. This is going to be episode 536. Engines running just because I finally. Well, the other day I had a good idea as far as this character went after the struggle I had on the last stream. I was like, alright. So, I was like, alright, cool. Next time I jump on the stream, that's what I'm gonna work on. And, yeah, I wanted to get some videos going, some video rendering going before I went. This is always a balance to try to get, like, the amount of videos to rendering them, and then having enough time to, actually, like, cover the stream time that I have. So, it's whatever. What is that? Oh, bugging me. So, alright, third time's the charm, man. Let's, I wanted to be here for like way longer, but I almost filled up the page. There's lightning and thunder going on out there. Hey man, check out where we started. Gotta flesh out these ideas, yo. Well, I'm actually so looking forward to this character. It's gonna be so much fun. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be the end of this one. I'm G Mr. Drew at G Mr. Drew on all socials. Follow, like, subscribe. GMrDrew.art, the website. The link is in the bio. Check it out. Outside of that, man, merch stores, Patreon, OnlyFans. What else I got? Man, I got everything, man. Just G Mr. Drew everywhere. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Love y'all. Peace.